Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and back with another video, as you can tell from the title. So today I'll be showing you guys how I install it's the synthetic wig that I bought from the beauty supply store. I'll put the links in the description if you're interested in this wig. So as you can see, I already started this video. I just didn't have no other clips to talk over, like do a voiceover on, but I'm actually spraying down the cap with the Gotta Be Olden spray. Then I'm gonna blow dry my hairline for like maybe 20 to 50 minutes. Then I'm using the cream foundation by Kiss. So apply that ball cap type of method look. Now I'm just cutting off the extra stocking cap that I don't want anymore. Now I'll be laying down my glue, and I'm using the Ghost Bond glue right now, and I'm just taking a even amount on my stockings cap and also on my skin also, but you got to make sure you spread it out really good, and then you have to make sure that it dries a little bit clear. And this is the wig that I'm talking about. It's a wig, that's the brand, I think. I'm not sure. It is synthetic. It came with this nice wave pattern, like a little deep wave or body wave type of look. It is just a middle part only. As you can see, I was trying to figure out if I could do the side part, but then I think about it when I raised up the sides and it was spaced. I was like, no, I'm gonna just do a side part. I'm gonna just do a middle part because I'm gonna just go with the natural way of how this wig is. But I was just testing out to see if I could do a side part. As y'all can see, it's already giving scalp. This lace is transparent. As y'all can see, it came with baby ears also. It's so weird that I've been finding so much synthetic wigs that are very affordable and that looks like human hair. I haven't really normally get into synthetics. I used to do synthetic wigs back then before I didn't know how to do actual lace wig. But now that I know how to do lace wigs, and I could still do synthetic wigs, but I prefer human hair because it lasts longer. Sometimes I buy synthetic wigs just so I could wear it for a week or so. It's never like permanent, like lasting long because of the maintenance. So as you can see, it's giving very much scalp like the last wig, and I love how it's so wavy. It's giving crimp curls. And the middle part, lately I've been doing a lot of middle parts. I think my next install I'll do a side part because I miss my side parts so much. I'm just loving this wig because the baby hairs is just giving what it needs to give. And the side, I really ripped the side because I was really trying to fix the wig, but I ended up ripping on the sides where the baby hair was supposed to lay. So excuse that, I just noticed that and I was trying to fix it. I was so excited because I liked how it was looking, even though it wasn't on yet. I just liked the look of it already. So everybody know their ear tabs are so hard to like glue down. It's always like a struggle to get that down. So that's what I'm working with right now. It's just the ear tabs and trying to make sure it's secure, because without that, it's not really, your wig is not really laid how you want it to be. So I'm just making sure that I laid the ear tabs down. I'm putting Gotta Be spray on it just for extra old. And yes. Now I'll be just cutting off the excess lace that I don't want, and I use a razor to do the edges because it's like it's better. The scissors, it gives you a straight look, and the razor gives you a real jagged look. It gives you more of a natural look with the razors than the scissors, if you get what I mean. So that's why I'm doing it with a razor. Be very careful when you're doing this. No rush. Like, because you don't want to cut off too much. You don't want to cut off too little. So you got to pay attention when you're doing this. So now it's time for baby hairs. Y'all know I'm a big fan of doing baby hairs. I like a lot of baby hairs, but now I've got used to liking a little bit of baby hairs just because I don't like it to look like my face is full of hair on it. So I try to do a little bit, but I always make sure I have a nice burn and like maybe 1 or 2 baby hairs in the front other than the sideburns. So that's what I'm working on. I'm trying to make sure that this is laid good as possible because like I said, it's a synthetic wig, and some synthetic wigs don't really lay as flat as others. Like glue don't really take on it. So that's why I'm trying to make sure that everything is really, really laid properly. And it's giving scalp. It's giving very much what it needs to give, and I love it. I was so excited about this wig and trying it and everything. So now I'll be cutting the baby hair with a razor because I just feel like it gives a very much, like just like the lace, it gives you a very much more natural look. Then you use the scissors, it don't really give you the look that you want. It gives you more of a scissors cut it. So I went off camera to do my baby hairs because I just couldn't sit there and do it because I was not close enough to the mirror. And I would use some black spray just to touch up the part so it looks good. As y'all can see, I didn't do much baby hair on this because I didn't want it to look too fake. It was already synthetic, and I wanted it to look natural. It looks so beautiful. I was just touching up my baby hairs, any flyaways in the front, you know. So it's looking good. It's giving me what I wanted. It was giving me what I expected. I expected to be like this. It was long. It was 30 inches. Y'all know if you get synthetic, get it long. Because why not? So the wave pattern was really good. It was so soft. Like, you couldn't tell me this was synthetic. Just like maybe the ends you could tell, but really and truly, if you go out anywhere, wherever I go, people ask me what type of ear that is, like, and I was like, it's synthetic, sis. Like, it's synthetic. That's like, really, they look real. I'm like, it's real, like it's really real, but it's still synthetic. But it was cute for the moment, you know. I'll be doing the next hair video soon, so yes. I love it. I love the pattern. It's giving what it needs to give. Just love it. Thank you guys for watching this video.